Good afternoon, dear students. So today we will be seeing about regulatory agencies across the world. As the word regulatory agencies we might be heard earlier also. So they regulate the drug-related aspects. So now drug-related aspect in the terms of safetyness, efficacy, so and many other drug-related aspects in the development of the drug and also in the marketing strategy also. So overall, they make the drug safer so that it can be taken by the patients. So in different countries, so they have their own agencies and also some of the organization jointly they will work together. So in order to safeguard the drug regulatory responses. So nowadays, if you observe many of the regulatory guidelines, out of that the pharmaceutical companies, what guidelines they follow related to the regulatory aspects. For example, if they want to export the drug or if the drug should be imported, so that should be under vigilance and they should be under certain guidelines. So for that, if you compare with the other companies, so these pharma sectors we can tell like they are most highly regulated industries in any part of the world. So now there are many aspects these regulatory bodies they are going to cover, so that they are going to ensure compliances in various legal and regulatory aspects of the drug. As I told, like every country will be having their own regulatory authorities which are responsible for enforcing the rules and regulation, and they also issue the guidelines related to the drug development process, licensing, registration and also manufacturing. They have a prominent role even in the marketing and labeling of the pharmaceutical products. So as syllabus concerned, we will be seeing only few, but I will tell some of the examples of various agencies across the globe. In USA, US FDA regulatory agencies, they work in UK, MHRA, they have in Australia, TGA, they have India, we have CDSCO, even in Canada, Health Canada, South Africa, MCC is the agency, in Brazil, ANVISA, then EMEA in European Union, SFDA in China, and also MedSafe, that is New Zealand, and also MHLW in Japan. And all countries they will be having their own agencies so that they are going to safeguard the drug utility. Even some of the organization what I told, so they work in the similar aspects. So for example is the World Health Organization, all you heard, and other we have Pan American Health Organization which is called as PHO, World Trade Organization WTO, International Conference on Harmonization, World Intellectual Property Organization, are some of the international regulatory agents and organization which also plays a role in all aspect of the pharmaceutical regulation related to the product registration and manufacturing, distribution, price control, market, and also research and development. Even they regulate intellectual property protection, because nowadays the major challenge of these regulatory agencies and organization across the world is to ensure safety, quality and efficacy of the medicine, and also medical devices, even harmonization of the legal procedure related to the drug development, monitoring and ensuring the compliance with all the bodies which are present.